Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python set collection with delete operation. So first of all, what is this set collection in Python programming? Set, it is an unordered collection of data in Python programming. So coming to some technical points about a set. First one, set is unordered collection of elements, and set elements are unique. It does not accept duplicate values. And set elements are mutable. So we can add, we can delete, we can replace with a new value. So here update, deletion or addition is possible. Next, set does not provide indexes to its collection of elements. Here we don't have indexes. And set elements are given in curly brackets and they are separated with commas. For example, set 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So here we can take set days, something like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And set is capable of storing same type of data as well as different type of data. And in set, order is not preserved. Order keeps on changing with when we add an element, when we delete an element, or when we update the set as a whole. Next, coming to delete operation on set, we have two methods. Discard function. So discard function, it is used to delete elements from a set. If the element is not there, then you will not get any error and set is not modified. For example, set 1 discard 11. If 11 is there, it is deleted, set is modified. Set 1 dot discard 77. If element is not there, no error, and it continues with the next statement in the program. Now coming to remove element. Remove function, removing a element. So remove deletes elements from the set or a set collection, but if element is not there, you will get error and remaining statements are not executed. For example, set 1 remove, if it is available, it is removed and set is modified. Set 1 remove 77, you will get a key error if the element is not available in the set and the control does not, okay, it does not continue with next statements. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python set example 4. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. So set 1 equals to set of, I'm taking a list. So list will be converted into set 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Print set 1. So let us execute till here. Right, so in the end, I will print one message, end of the program. Right. So save this, come to the prompt where you have saved it and run it. py python set example 4.py. Compile it. So set elements are unordered, order is not preserved, and finally end of the program. So now let us perform discard. Right. So two cases. So set 1, discard 11. So 11 is available. It will be deleted. After that, we'll have only 4 elements. Print set 1. So set 1, discard 77. So 77 is not available. No error. Remaining statement is executed. Again, it will print the set 1 and finally end of the program. So save this and run it. So if you see here, element 11 is deleted from the set. After that, 77 is not available. No error. Print. Again set with 4 elements. End of the program. Next, set 2. So set 2, set of 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So I'm passing list as input parameter to the set conversion function. Print set 2. Again, you will have 5 elements in another set, set 2. Set 2 dot remove 11. So 11 is available. It will be deleted. Print set 2. After that, set 2 dot remove 77. Here we don't have 77. We'll get an error, key error. Remaining statement, set 2 is not printed and end of the program is also not printed. So save this and run. Right, so this is set 2, remove 11. So 11 is removed. We got only 4 elements. After that, remove 77. So 77 is not there. We got key error. Remaining statements are not executed. So this is how we are supposed to perform delete operation on a set collection in Python programming. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.